So I have the soldering iron warming up. I'm going to grind off a little bit of the material here to get a rough surface, basically clean up the surface, and so I can solder the wires on. So we'll start on one of the outer rails. Okay, with that done, I have two marks, two spots ground down. I'm going to strip wire. So strip one here, strip another piece. I'm not really too worried about the length. That can be adjusted. So I'm going to go ahead and dip this in the solder flux. Clean off my solder tip, iron tip. Apply a little bit of solder and pre-tin the wire. Do the same thing to the blue wire. And then what we'll do is we'll repeat this on the rail itself. So apply some flux. We'll pre-tin the this will take a little bit to heat up. Before it actually starts melting on. So we just want to pre-tin. And we'll also pre-tin here. Clean off tip. And apply some solder. Okay, now I'm going to choose the white wire as my center rail. I'm going just to apply some more flux. Should still be some heat in the rail, so it should actually work pretty quickly. There. Take the blue wire, just going to go the same direction on these tracks. It doesn't matter with the outer rails, they are connected by the ties on the Menards O-scale track. And the wires are secure.